Okay, so I just finished my class 10th and now I'm starting my class 11th, and I decided to start coding along with my JEE preparation. And honestly, I was really so confused that is it even possible to manage both? So abhi just 10th boards to khatam hua hai, right? This is the best time you can start learning anything new skill, anything. So या लाइक अभी तो ज़्यादा हेक्टिक रूटीन नहीं है. ऑल्सो आई हैव नॉन स्कूलिंग, तो मेरा उतना ज़्यादा हेक्टिक रूटीन नहीं रहता. So I have a lot of time, but I have to manage the time with both my JEE preparation and my coding journey. So I don't have any coaching right now, and I am doing my JEE preparation from YouTube only for now. So it depends on me that how I manage my time for both my JEE preparation and my coding. And coding was something I have always wanted to try, but I was confused at where to start. And if you guys are also preparing for JEE and further you are aiming for engineering colleges, so you obviously should know that in colleges you will have to learn a lot of programming languages. So if you learn the basics of coding before your college start, then you will be much ahead of many students, and that will make difference from the other students, and that decides your placement. So that's why I started learning coding, and it's really beneficial. अभी तो तुम्हें like बहुत hectic लगेगा manage करने में. So but तुम when you will get into the college, you will feel so easy to learn coding. So how I started learning coding and how I'm managing both my JEE preparation and coding, I want to share my experience with you guys all, and I will suggest you, I'll advise you to start coding now. So तुम्हें भी like colleges में तो बहुत benefits मिलने वाले हैं, and you can also like earn from coding. If you learn coding, then you can make websites and you can earn. When you will get into college, you can make more money than like thousands, lakhs from coding only. So I actually started my coding journey with Python because everyone says it's beginner friendly, and yeah, actually I am learning Python, and it's really so easy to understand because it uses the English language, and if you only know basics of English, then also you can learn Python so easily. So I'm not going anything complex. I'm just starting with basics of coding like variables, loops, just understanding slowly. My main focus is still J, obviously, and my days went through like maths, physics, and chemistry most of the time. And as for coding, I just give 40 to 45 minutes daily, not too much, just enough to stay consistent. And about time management, honestly, like फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री मैथ्स ये सब तो फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी रहता ही है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इन द मॉर्निंग आई स्टार्ट माई प्रिपरेशन फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, बट आफ्टर दैट मतलब 11-12 के टाइम पे आई डू कोडिंग फॉर जस्ट 30 minutes 40 minutes, not more than that. And I'm learning coding from YouTube only, from Shraddha Kapra, and I didn't purchase any course. I'm just learning it for free from YouTube. Like अभी तो YouTube में सब कुछ available है, you can learn totally free, and this is really advantage for nowadays children, that you can get anything in YouTube. If you want to learn anything, you don't have to go any other place, you don't have to purchase it, you can get free from YouTube. तो benefits तो उठाना ही चाहिए इस चीज़ का सबको. And honestly अभी तो 11th का कुछ start ही नहीं हुआ है, but after मतलब in the mid of my 11th journey, I will surely not get much time for my coding, and but I will try my best to give at least 20 minutes to my coding to just stay consistent every day. Otherwise, like छूट जाएगा. So I will keep sharing my journey, like what's working, what's not. So if you're also doing JEE preparation or thinking about coding, so we can figure this out together. So do subscribe for that to get more such videos on how I'm learning coding, how I'm starting coding, all details about my journey. Also, I can make you a detailed video of coding if you want. So do like, subscribe for more such videos. Thank you. Bye bye.